The new meat hunter, yet to be named pole, is doing some work. Mr. Tim, the master Griffis, is putting the smack down on him.
First one of the day.
Smack down rod holder, meat hunter rods. How about that? Seaark boats. Beautiful day. Wind blowing 25 to 30 on the gusts. What's it feel like, Tim?
Feels like a decent fish.
Feels good, don't he?
I like this.
A fish feels
rod.
good, right?
I like this rod.
Looks like a decent fish. Kind of hard to tell. In this current, we're fishing below Wilbur D. Mills this morning. They're running about 75,000, I think, something like that.
I thought we were in an undisclosed location today.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we're in a secret location. Let me see. Let me get
We're going to
here.
have to edit that.
Yeah, okay. We'll have to edit it. We're going to need a net, ain't we?
Probably.
If he's 3 pounds, you know you're in trouble, right? A little better than 3. Nice looking fish. All right, I got the other pole in the net. That there's some professional
Look at that
network right there. I'll
Look at
let
that
you finish him up. He's a decent little fish. That fish is probably going to be supper tonight.
Absolutely.
Shoot.
Because we are officially out of catfish until now.
Nice little fish. He'll weigh around 8.
Yeah.
All right, thumbs up. There we go.